Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Saniya's Art Studio. In today's video we are going to learn how to make this modern textured art using very few ingredients. So here I have taken a stretch canvas and I've just painted a background in a square or a rectangle on the canvas and left some white space to make it look a little elegant and not cover the entire canvas. I've made a texture paste. If you want to see exactly how I made texture paste, you can watch my other videos. Just to give you a little idea, I took Golden Brand's light molding paste and mixed it with a little titanium white to make this texture paste. You can use a regular molding paste also, that's completely fine. And I am using a leaf shaped knife to give a petal shape and make it look like a tulip. Here we are trying to make an abstract tulip, so it's completely fine if it's like the shape is not that very proper. I'm just piling up petals on petals to make it look like more fluffy and more nice. You can choose whichever design and how much ever tulips you want. Here I just wanted to paint 2 tulips to make it minimalistic and beautiful at the same time. I'm not satisfied with how the tulip looks, so I am piling it up more with the petals. And we're going to use the same knife if you don't have any other knife for the leaf. You cannot make it in a go because it's a long leaf tulip has, so you can make it in like 3-4 strokes. That's completely fine. And I've used 2 different color variations here to give it a little nice realistic look. You can always go over again on the paste if you are not satisfied with how it looks until it's wet. Once it's dried, it's really difficult to make that shape. And it's okay, it takes time to master textured art techniques, so just keep on practicing and make sure like you are making art and practicing it by yourself every day or whenever you can, and just enjoy the process. Thank you so much for joining me today in learning how to make this minimalistic modern textured art. Subscribe if you already haven't. Thank you.